Right, now we're going to learn how to change percentages to fractions. So let's take something like 15%. Percent means something out of 100. So 15% is 15 out of 100. 15 hundredths. That's a fraction. So we need to reduce that to its lowest terms. What goes into 15 and 100? 5 goes into 15 and 100, so you can divide the top and the bottom by 5. 5 into 15 goes 3 times, and 5 into 100 goes 20 times. 3/20ths. You would get 1 mark for your working and 1 mark for your answer. Let's look at another one. Let's say 28%. So, percent means out of 100. 28% is 28 out of 100. 28 hundredths. So we need to reduce that to its lowest terms. 4 goes into 28 and 100. We can divide the top and the bottom by 4. 4 sevens are 28, and 4s into 100 go 25 times. It's good to remember that 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 20 is 100. And 4 times 25 is 100. Half of 100 is 50. And half of 50 is 25. So that's a quarter of 100. So 4 times 25 is 100. Here are some more examples. 45%, that means 45 out of 100. We can divide the top and bottom by 5. 5 into 45 goes 9 times, and 5 into 100 is 20. 9/20ths. We get 1 mark for our working and 1 mark for our answer. 18%. That means 18 out of 100. Here we can divide the top and bottom by 2. Half of 18 is 9, and half of 100 is 50. 9/50ths. 1 mark for your working and 1 mark for your answer. 6%. That means 6 out of 100. Imagine you did a big test and got 6%. 6 out of 100. It's a pretty small percentage. Here we can reduce that down. We can divide the top and bottom by 2 to get 3/50ths. Here are some practice questions for you. So, copy the questions, show you're working properly, and we'll see what the answers are in a moment. Right, so the answers. 24%, that's 24 over 100. 1 mark for that. Reduce that to its lowest terms. Now we can divide the top and bottom by 4. 6 4s are 24, and a quarter of 100 is 25. 6/25ths. You might have done that in 2 steps. You might have said 12/50ths and then reduced it down again to 6/25ths. 15%, that means 15 over 100. 5 goes into those 3 times and 20 times. 3/20ths. 1 mark for your working and 1 mark for the answer. 2%. That's just 2 out of 100, which will reduce down to 1/50th. Okay, you've marked those. Now download the worksheet and have a go.